Dono Valley. For teaching me. 1:30 Dimag driving. Panibagong umaga. Panibagong umaga. Panibagong pag-asa. Very good now. Very smooth driving natin. Working with Mr. Dono Valley, my senior crane operator. Say hi, Philippines.
Hi.
Philippines. Hi, Philippines.
Yes.
This guy coming from Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah. Sri Lanka operator. Number 1 operator. Too much teaching me. Very good. Nice experience driving Dimag.
My friend Carlo.
Ah. Nice experience, bro. Have a good day, everyone. Peace out.